given that the events A and B are such that probability of A is half, probability of A union B is 3 by 5, and the probability of B is P, find P if they are mutually exclusive and in the other case of being independent. Okay, so let's look at the given. So we have probability of A, which is half. It's a small question, but I felt like writing given, so I'm just doing that. B is 3 by 5. And we have to figure out P. Okay, so probability of P, which is equal to P, is equal to what? Now, when things are mutually exclusive, the first question, as A comma B are mutually exclusive, what happens? How do you find? How do you solve such a question? When they're mutually exclusive? Yes, we have to make use of this particular condition, mutually exclusive. That is, their sum, that is the elements that is common or the outcomes that is common is 0. So we can make use of probability of A intersect union, actually, not intersect. Union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B, right? Because the intersect part is 0. So this is 3 by 5 and this is half, and we just have to find this. Therefore, P of P is equal to 3 by 5 minus half. This is 10. 6 minus 5, 1 by 10. Now, let's look at independent, as A and B are independent. Okay. So, when they are independent, how will our formula change? Can we use this? Remember, we talk in terms of probability over here. Here too, actually, it is, how do I put it across? Here we talk in terms of events. Here we talk in terms of probability. So when they are independent, so what is the condition? They're independent. This is the condition. So I told you, right? 1 marker to 4 marker, directly or indirectly, they keep asking. So what do we have? Probability of A intersect B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. So, but even the LHS is an unknown, actually. Let's have a look at this first. Let's substitute, let's go with what we can do. So this would be P of A, that's half. So this is P divided by 2. Now, they're independent, but they're not mutually exclusive. So we have seen that. So we will make use of P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersect B. Now, P of A union B, we know 3 by 5, right? So that's how we make use of what is known and what is to be found, minus P of 2. We just solve this. So this results in 1 by 10, right? So this is 1 by 10. This is half. So half is equal to 1 by 10. So P is equal to 1 by 5. In this case, P is 1 by 5. Right, guys? So please understand here that the question number 1 and 2 are not connected. Other than the data, they're not connected. So you can't make use of, obviously, the previous answers. Okay? First thing. Second thing is, it is simple and straightforward, provided you know this set of formulas and not confused. Right? You have to be clear with the definitions. You have to be clear with the formulas. Okay? So, I'm sure that many people will be getting confused as and when you guys do it on your own. So, for that not to happen, understand each with set of example and animation that we have been talking of. Understand, make it clear in your head. And you can derive the formula on your own. Once you know the condition probability, from there you can derive the idea out. Okay, guys. Yeah, you can pause and have a look.